Oh, y'all like Telegram, huh? That instant messenger. Y'all feel sophisticated. It's cloud-based. You guys are gonna like it right until they give all your information out with that peer-to-peer. And in this video, I'm gonna get right into it, why it's a privacy hazard. Okay, so welcome to the Mark Junod Show, the cybersecurity show. So without further ado, let's get right into it. We're going dark. Peer-to-peer networks can be very dangerous from a security perspective. When you join a peer-to-peer network, you are choosing to trust the very large group of strangers that make up the network. Usually, you have to open one or more internet ports on your computer so that the P2P network can send files to and from your machine. The problem is that you basically cannot control what goes in and out of those ports once you open them. They are like open doors through which you have given the users the, P2P network. Now, look, sure there are some limitations to the access other users of the network can have, but, these open ports can become an easy point of entry for attackers trying to gain access to your machine or your network. You might even invite them in without even knowing. Oh, Robert? Yeah, come. Let me open that port for you. Yeah, let me open that door for you. Robert, come in, Robert, come in. I don't have anything for you, Robert, I'm broke. But anyways, Telegram's peer-to-peer is a risky way to save $5 a month. So Telegram is offering a new way to earn a premium subscription free of charge. All you have to do is volunteer your phone number to relay one-time passwords, also known as OTP, to other users. This, in fact, sounds like an awful idea, particularly for a messaging service based around privacy. So before I proceed, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and the like button. So X user Assemble Debug spotted details about the new program on the English language version of a popular Russian language Telegram information channel. Sure enough, there's a section in Telegram's terms of service outlining the new peer-to-peer login or P2PL program, which is currently only offered on the Android. Thank God. Not us bougie iPhone users. And in certain unspecified locations. Just kidding. By opting in the program, you agree to let Telegram use your phone number to send up to 150 texts with OTPs to other users logging into their accounts. Every month, your number is used to send a minimum number of OTPs. You'll get a gift code for a 1-month premium subscription. So, I mean, come on, that sounds like a bad idea, for all kinds of reasons. Starting with the main issue, your phone number is seen by the recipient every time it's used to send an OTP. And if anything unpleasant happens as a result of this, Telegram's terms make it clear it's on you. So hold on, y'all boy. You gonna put me in a home with no doors and then I get robbed and you say it's on me? Accordingly, you understand and agree that Telegram will not be liable for any inconvenience, harassment, or harm resulting from unwanted, unauthorized, or illegal actions undertaken by users who became aware of your phone number through P2PL. So once an OTP has been sent from your number, the recipient might just text you back. People participating in the P2PL program are told not to text the recipients of OTPs, even if they texted first, but there's no way for Telegram to enforce that. No way to restrict people from replying on the OTP text. This seems like a particularly bad place to employ the honor system. So, I mean, this is supposed to be a cloud-based system, guys. What are they thinking of? Like, cloud is supposed to be protective, supposedly. So Telegram says it's offering this program to make receiving access codes via SMS more reliable in certain areas. A more cynical read might be that the company is trying to avoid fees imposed for sending codes via SMS, a move from the X/Twitter playbook. In fact, Telegram is taking zero responsibility. Oh, of course, right? If your carrier charges you a fee for sending access codes. So they want to protect themselves from fees, but not ourselves. I got you. It's a pretty uncharacteristic for a company that touts a revolutionary privacy policy. Telegram's global user base has been attracted to the platform as an algorithm-free means of distributing information for both good and not so good.